Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you a few products from the collection from the Black Panther 2, and I have the eyeshadow palette today and the lipstick. I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial with one eye today, and I'm going to be giving you some thoughts, in my opinion, on what I think of this palette. I purchased this palette from Ulta Beauty and this lipstick, so you guys want to see this look, just keep on watching. So first things first, you guys, I want to show you the palette itself because this is my favorite thing from the collection. I did not buy all the lipsticks and the blushes and all that because for me it starts to be excess and I really don't need all of those extra things. I'm always gonna get an eyeshadow palette because I love eyeshadow palettes. It's like my baby of my collection of makeup. So with that being said, this is what the outer carton looks like for the palette, and inside is this beautiful palette. It's purple and it has that silver like lining that they use, or silver designs that was on their necklaces in the movie, and like this just is a beautiful display and representation of the movie. So once we open the palette up, we do have a mirror inside, and you will find this sheet in here with the names of the eyeshadows. I'm going to hold this box up here and I'm going to show you guys what the palette is looking like. Beautiful. And so it does have some various colors in here, certainly warrior shades that are reflective of the movie. I mean, this is not a palette that you would say I'm going to use this as my neutral palette, or you could use it every day, but I would just do the single shade looks with this. But this is a beautiful palette nonetheless. So I'm gonna swatch a few of these colors for you. I'm going to swatch this gold shade right here. Very pretty, and I would probably most likely use this shade, I'm thinking, on my lid or the inner corner, something like that. And that is what it's. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more because I didn't really, y'all know I like to hype these shades up. So that's what that one's looking like. I'm gonna also swatch that, like that rusty orange color beside it, because these are a few of the shades that I did not use in the palette today. Oh man, that's beautiful. So this is what that color is looking like on my finger. I can't wait to use that. And that's what it's looking like on my skin. Kind of really blending into my skin a bit. I'm gonna also swatch this like goldish bronzy color next to it. Might as well, why not? Oh, that's so smooth and pretty, and that is really gorgeous. So that's what that shade is looking like right there. Beautiful. And then the last one I'm going to swatch is that black, because y'all know when we have a black, we want to know if that black is blacking or if it's like more of a gray. So let's see what kind of pigmentation that we have in this black right here. Let's see. Take this finger right here. Ooh, y'all, I think she's blacking. Oh yeah. Oh yes. So that is that black, and you cannot go wrong with that. Okay, so that is a few of the swatches, and now you guys, I'm gonna take, oh no, we can't go yet. We cannot go yet. I want to show you guys the lipstick, which I'm also going to be talking, and I'm going to show you guys that a little bit towards the end. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. This is what the lipstick looks like. Another thing I got from the collection. Outer carton package for that. I'm gonna swatch this on my hand. This is the actual shade again, and this is just like a beautiful chocolatey brown color, and I'm wearing it on my lips today. Beautiful. So you guys, I'm getting ready to take you into this small tutorial. I hope you guys like the palette, and I'm gonna create this eye look for you guys, and I have my one eye completed already, and I'm just gonna do this other eye with you guys on camera. So I'm going to be laying down the first color, and it's gonna be this blue one. I'll have to give you guys the names. I'll probably do that at the end or somewhere in this video. May even insert them because I can't hold this sheet up and do that at the same time. So I'm using the blue color first, and I'm actually going to pack it onto my eye, and I'm going to be using the mirror in this palette to do so. Okay guys, so now that I have that blue down and I have blown it out a little bit up into the crease area, I'm going to flip this brush over, and I'm actually using today a BH Cosmetics 103 brush. Yeah, so that's that. And I'm flipping the brush over, not so much on the dent side, and I'm going to be picking up this purple shade right here. I'm going to place that right on the lid, the mobile portion of the lid. And that is what that's looking like. And I'm kind of just creating just a look off the cuff. I wasn't really sure when I started off which way I was going to go with this. So once I came up with this look, I was like, okay, I think I might can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this out. So now guys, that I have this purple laid down and kind of blended into that blue, I kind of got a blurple look going on. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good so far. And now I'm just gonna take this green shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner, and we're gonna see what happens with that. So that's what that's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and get that blended in real good, and I'll see you guys. So I have all those colors laid down, and you will see that I did go back in and blend that purple into the green a little bit, just so that we had a better gradient smoky effect. And now for my brow bone, I'm just going to use this it's like a pinky color right here. Very pretty. I really like this color, so I'm going to use it on the brow bone. Just reach for my brush, using this fluffy brush here from Real Techniques. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. Really pretty. Just gonna blend that out a little bit. Okay guys, and now the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up this bottom lash line. You can see I already drug that green down in the corner there a little bit. I'm gonna also get my 103 BH Cosmetics, use that purple, and I'm going to blend it on the lower lash line. Just placing it right there. Run it into that green like that, and then I'm gonna finish off this look by applying this brow bone color into my inner corner, and I will be back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did apply more product from the collection, and it is the Black Panther lipstick by MAC, and I have it in the shade Royal Integrity. And that is what it looks like. This is the packaging. Super cute. MAC always does well with their lipsticks. I love this little bullet size. I'm gonna hold this up so you guys can see it. What a beautiful color. And it is the shade, again, like I said, that I did apply to my lips. I did line my lips before this with the ColourPop BFF number 2, I believe it was. So yes, so those are the products that I use along with this eyeshadow palette. Now guys, this is what it's looking like here. Really, really pretty. I love the writing. I love that they put this silver lining on it, you know, like the necklace of Suri, I believe her name is. Yeah, beautiful. I love the look that I created today. Smoky, little vampy, but I love it. Okay, so it's great for night out. It's great for just going out with your friends. It's just a beautiful look. I just love it. The shades in here are so pigmented, so if you have deeper skin, you're definitely gonna love them because you don't need a lot to like build and build and build to get a pigmentation. You're gonna love this palette. I'm gonna show it to you one more time. I'm gonna go through the shades that I actually used today. So this is, again, this is the palette here, and I used, again, I started out with the shade this blue one here, and it came with this little sheet, so I'm gonna try to do my level best with that, and that is called Protector of Wakanda. That's the name of that shade. Then the next one that I used was the purple, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors, or colors in general, and that is called Royal Ways. And then on my outer corner I used the shade called United Front, and that is that green, that deep like hunter green right there, another color that I love. And then in my brow bone and inner corner I used this shade called My Calling, and that's like this pinky shade down here. Really, really beautiful. Guys, if you have not picked this palette up, go and get yourself an early Christmas gift. Get yourself a Black Friday, Thanksgiving gift. I'm sure there's going to be a sale. I purchased mine from Ulta online because I really didn't want to wait for it to get in stores. Go ahead, and if you want to wait for the Black Friday, I'm sure it will be a sale. This palette is so beautiful. The aesthetic is beautiful, and I just can't wait for you guys to try it. Once you try this palette, please leave me a comment in the section down below. If you have tried it, you're gonna try it, or you're thinking about buying it. So I will see you guys in the next video. I thank you so much for watching. Let's come back and do it all over again. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends and family, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time that I upload a video. And don't forget to hit that like button because it certainly does help my channel out in a big, big way. So as we grow together, I thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Wakanda Forever. Bye.